5,000 subscribers. I just can't believe it. Back when my son made that first video and set up this YouTube channel, I had no idea that we would have any subscribers at all. And so I just wanted to take a minute and say thank you. You have been so supportive. You leave me such kind comments, and I so appreciate you. Thank you so much. Now let's get on with the video. I'm talking again about my favorite topic, grits. The trick to cooking good grits is to be sure you stir often and a lot while it's cooking. And make sure you start with enough water so that they're not dry. And you may have to add some while they're cooking. Only toward the end, when they're almost done, should you let them get a little bit drier. And let them cook long enough. Most people who think that they don't like grits have probably not tried grits that were cooked properly. And if they're not cooked properly, they may be a little bit gritty. But when grits are cooked until they're done, they're smooth and creamy. You can see the little grains are getting bigger. They're beginning to get done. You know that grits are done when they're almost as thick as mashed potatoes, but not quite. They're a little bit runny off the spoon, but they're thick enough to eat with a fork. And the grains are fat and soft. The grains no longer look like this, little bitty hard pieces, but now they're larger and they're soft. That's the texture of perfectly cooked grits. Thanks for stopping by.